if you want to enjoy a seasonal coffee without the guilt, you have to try this healthy, dairy-free peppermint mocha with protein.
For this recipe, I recommend the chocolate pea protein, but you can certainly substitute it with chocolate rice protein. It's got 16 grams of protein and only 2 grams of added sugar. That's going to help keep you full and energized. In a shaker bottle, pour 4 ounces of your favorite drip coffee, 8 ounces of your choice dairy-free milk, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened coconut cream or butter to add creaminess but totally optional, add a few drops of peppermint extract, and of course your scoop of protein powder. Then shake it up. Heat it gently in a saucepan or microwave-safe mug, and then top it with your choice toppings.